Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wix website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add music into your Wix website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add music into your Wix website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. Depending on the industry you're in, or maybe you're selling your music on your website, Wix does allow you to put music into your website a few different ways. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wix account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wix account, and this is the home screen that shows all the websites that you have with Wix. Now, first off, in order to add music into your Wix website, you want to choose the website. So I'll go ahead and work on this one. If you don't see these boxes like I do, don't worry, just click on all sites here on the top left and then just choose the website. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see the dashboard for that one particular website. And in order to add music to this website, you need to handle that through the site editor. So click on this blue edit site button here on the top right. Okay, so once you click there, it's going to bring you to your website on Wix. And the next thing you need to do is go to the page that you want to add music onto. And how you do that is up here on the top left, just click on this little downward arrow. All right, now just choose the page you're going to add the music to. So we'll choose this one. Okay, so now we are on the page that we're going to add music into. And how we're going to do that is click on this little plus icon here on the left menu. Once you do that, you're going to see this drop down menu and look for this one here called video and music. And once you do that, you're going to see this menu right here. And here we can find the audio players. So as you can see, they have a few different kinds of audio players. They have Wix Music, SoundCloud, Spotify, and the iTunes button. So this is really going to depend on your goal for adding music into your Wix website. So let me explain it to you. The first one, Wix Music, basically what this is, you're going to create a store and upload your music onto your website. And then once the music is hosted on your Wix website, you can sell it or play it directly from your Wix website. Here on SoundCloud, you can go ahead and promote your account on SoundCloud, or maybe you just want a specific track to be available, whether or not it's yours. SoundCloud is a good option because your viewers can go ahead and just click play and play directly from your website. Here on the Spotify player, this one really isn't my favorite. Basically, what you're going to do is you'll put a player, a Spotify player for a specific song or a specific record, and your website user can go ahead and click the play button and listen to a portion of that music. They can't listen to the whole thing. And lastly, here, the iTunes button. This is more if you're just trying to promote your iTunes music. So basically, you're going to have a button and then you can direct that to a specific song or a specific record, but you cannot have your users play the song inside your website. So that one really I don't like. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and use the SoundCloud player. And once you've chosen here on this menu, you're just going to grab this box and then you're just going to drag it over. So you can see it turns blue. So I'm holding it down and I'm going to drag it over into the website. And now I can go ahead and drop it wherever I think it's going to fit. So this looks pretty good right here. So we'll just drop it right there. Okay, now it's processing. Okay, by default, it goes to the Wix Music portion, but don't worry, we're going to be able to change that. So first, what you want to do is go ahead and resize the player. So you can grab it by these little dots on the corner and just drag it around and you can see it kind of shrinks down. Okay, that looks a little better. And now in order to change the music, click on settings right above the SoundCloud in blue. Okay, so here is where we can go ahead and change the music. So again, this is just by default in the Wix demo. And all you're going to do is click right in here. And now you need to enter in a URL from your SoundCloud. So let me jump on over to SoundCloud and grab an artist. Okay, so here is an artist that I like on SoundCloud. So I pulled up his record. So up here is the URL. And what we can do is we can go ahead and just copy the URL there, or you can click on the share button over here on the right. And you can see we can go ahead and copy that link. Now that's going to start playing the entire album. If you just want a specific song, go ahead and just scroll through their catalog and click on the song. And up here, you can see that the URL has changed. So now this is a URL just to this one specific song, or you can click on the share button right here or the copy link here. So I'm going to click on copy link. Okay, now we're ready to jump back into the Wix editor. Okay, here we are in the Wix editor and we're going to go ahead and paste that link in and then we're going to click on confirm. And if you watch this box right here, you're going to see that it updates to that song. And now your viewers get a chance to go ahead and play that song. You can also update the design by clicking right here and they could change the color. So by default, SoundCloud is orange, but if you want that maybe to be blue, you can go ahead and change that. And then here on the right, you'll see the button, it turns from orange into blue, and you're not done until you click on publish. Okay, so now it's published, and then you want to see what it looks like from the user side, you can click on preview. Okay, so here's what it looks like for your website user. It's going to show the player right here, and they can just click on play, and it's going to start playing. And then once they stop it, you see it tries to route them over to SoundCloud, and you can just close that down. So that's the SoundCloud player. Let me go ahead and show you another player. Okay, so I'm going to jump back into the editor, right? And same thing, we're going to click on this plus, music and music audio players. And let me go ahead and show you what the Spotify looks like. So here's the Spotify player. It's kind of too bad because the Spotify player looks pretty cool. I like the design of it. So we just drag it in. All right, it's adding it in now. Okay, now we have our Spotify player there, and you can see it's on Wix Music, but we're just going to go ahead and click on the settings right here. All right, once you click into settings, the cool thing is you can handle this right through your website on Wix. Search Spotify, and let's go ahead and maybe add Michael Jackson and then search. Okay, now you get to choose between his album, his track, playlist. So I'll do track, and Billie Jean is right here. So we'll click there, and now you can see it's surrounded in blue. So now we can click on select, and now you can see the Spotify player has turned to Billie Jean, Michael Jackson. And then as you can see, it says preview. So your viewers can go ahead and click on the play and then play a preview of that song. However, they're not going to play the complete song. It will route them to Spotify to either play it in their account or to purchase. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add music into your Wix website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.